Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the green screen overlay in CapCut Mobile. So here to add the green screen overlay, first you need to add a video to the main track like this. Then just click on the overlay button, add overlay, and here choose the green screen overlay that you want. So I'm going to use one from the stock video. For example, I'm going to try to use this. Okay, this one. Click on the green screen, click on add. So just fit the size until it covers the whole main clip. Now click on the green screen and remove the green screen by using the chroma key. So drag the color picker into the green screen and adjust the intensity and the shadow. And that's it. So the main video will be visible. So this will be the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.